Okay, in this tutorial I want to explain how to preparing data. So from our building and network data, we must convert into point and segment. Yeah, so we can preparing it using QGIS and then we can running in UrbanSCAD. So let's start. Here our last data about our building and network, and then maybe for the first time I will preparing about building first. So maybe in this building it contains some feature. We can see in the attribute table, and then maybe the building is have category or classification only in yes layer. Only in yes layer. So maybe we can select yes layer using query. Then we can use field and value. Then building all unique. Yes. Okay, I forgot equal. Building equal yes. Select feature. Here. This is the building data distribution. Maybe I will show this one. This is the building data distribution. So we must convert from this data into another feature layer. Into another feature layer, so we can get the building distribution point. Okay, we can right click, export, save selected feature as, only save selected feature. Okay, then we can see R building only, building residential only, building residential only. Okay, then or maybe building residential, or maybe AR building residential. Okay, we can save, we can choose CRS in 49S, so we can click OK. Here our building distribution. So the other one is about public facility. This data is public facility data. Okay, then maybe if it's already finished, then we can close this one. Then we must prepare some point, because if we running using UrbanSCAD, we must using point and polyline data only. So we can convert this one into point. We can search in processing toolbox. Well, the QGIS students didn't showing about processing toolbox in the rec set. We can go to processing and we can checklist toolbox. So the result these tools, and we can find Centroid. Centroid here. Centroid is in vector geometry tools. We can double click. Then for the input layer, we choose AR building residential. Then we can save the Centroid into our folder. Save to file. Example here PT building residential. Okay, save. Then we can click run. Okay, this is our point distribution about residential in this area. So we can use this data to analyze maybe risk calculator or maybe multi-node access and etc. For the next, maybe we must prepare another data. For example, in this case I will explore how to mosque to covered area, or maybe multi-node access, or maybe service area and etc. So we can select mosque using query again, and then we can go to field and value. We choose building equal unique value mosque. Okay, select feature, and we can see in this AR building there are several buildings that are mosque. Okay, then we can export this selected feature as AR building mosque. Save. Okay, and here. Okay, this is our distribution about mask, and we can select centroid again, save to file, and pt okay, can save, run. Okay, here we have our input data. They are facility about mosque and residential. Yeah. So we can, okay, maybe I will change the symbology. For example, here I will change into this one, or maybe this one. Okay, and here I will change to smaller one. Okay, here our data, yeah, but facility building mosque and building residential here, and then we can prepare about network data. Yeah, this one. Okay, it's finished, and this is one. We can close this one, and here through preparing network, maybe we can go to processing toolbox and we use v-clean. v.clean. Yeah, this feature is help us to clean network segment. Double click, and then we can select line network, and then this is we can skip this step and we can just run. Okay, it's done. We can close, and there are no error, and this is the result, clean data. And the second one, we can use explode lens to exploit every feature and every segment. Yeah, we can use clean layer, and then we can run. Close, and here the result. So we can see our network will be split in every segment. Okay, it's okay, it's good. Okay, it's good. Yeah, it's good. Okay, after that we must check into their content connected or disconnected network. So we can use new plugin. Yeah, we can go to menu plugin, manage and install plugin, and then we can find disconnected island. Then we can install plugin. Okay, here our new plugin about disconnected island. We can use this plugin to check our segment. Yeah, select exploded and click OK. Wow, so we can see there are some network that it's not connected to other one. This is not connected, and then this one is not connected. Yeah, we can delete this network. So we can close, and I will delete all this network using start editing, delete, yes, save, stop editing. Here, this is the result. We can running again to check disconnected island using exploded, and don't forget to overwrite existing value. Click OK, and the result is only one. So this network is connected for all segment. Okay, for the last one, we can save our network that have been checked into v-clean, exploded, and disconnected island into our desktop. So we can right click our data and then export, and then save it to us. Then we can choose the folder, for example ln network disconnected or explode or check. Okay, save. Okay, and this is the result. So we can start into the next step. We can running this data in OrbanSCAD. See you on the next tutorial.